Hello, everybody. My name is Warren Sisley, and I'm going to talk to you about GCSE Computer Science. So, why might you choose this course, and what would I need to know? I suppose the first place I would recommend you going is the Year 9 options booklet, so you can take a look at the course in there and find out the details. I'd also suggest going to the OCR website. The GCSE is called J277, and that website will give you some of the details. So, why might you choose this course? Um, we spend a fair bit of our time solving real life problems, thinking about puzzles and logical thinking. So, it might be that you're the sort of person that gets a buzz out of that kind of work. It's very much a subject where you're applying your skills to sort of real life scenarios. You'd need to be the sort of person that persevered when you meet problems. So often when you write a program on a computer, for example, it doesn't work first time. So you need that resilience to go back and fix it, get it to work. It might be you want to know about technology and how it works. It's worth pointing out this is not a course that's going to show you how to use the computer. It's not about making spreadsheets or editing videos. This is for people who want to know the nuts and bolts, how a computer works, how a network sends data packets to different devices. Um, it's a good course if you want to stay up to date and learn about the technology that's shaping all of our lives. There are aspects of the course where you would need to write programs, develop algorithms. So perhaps you're someone that likes the idea of doing that. But above all, it's going to provide you with up to date knowledge and useful skills for the workplace. And also give you opportunities to work in so many different walks of life. So, where might it lead? It's worth pointing out that Beacon offers A level computer science. So, for some people, the GCSE provides a foundation and they go on to do the A level at our sixth form. For some students, they go on to study computer science or related subjects at university. It can be a route to apprenticeships, and of course, it supports lots of other careers and subjects that you could study. There's a little list on my screen there of just a few computing careers, but of course, it's a subject that supports so many other different jobs and careers. So let's deal with some of the misconceptions that people might have about the subject. It's certainly not an easy option. Um, it's a course with a good deal of content that you would need to learn. There's no coursework. You would be assessed in 2 hour and a half exams in the hall on paper, and there's a fair bit to learn. It's another misconception, I suppose, to hear people say that they need lots of experience to do the course. Not true. You don't need to have written lots of programs. You don't need to have updated your computer at home. You just need to be curious and interested, inquisitive to do the course. We do have exercise books. We do have to record notes. So, although we use the computers quite a lot, you will certainly be having to do writing when you're on this course. Um, and it's also a misconception to think that this course is all about writing programs and coding. It's not. Perhaps around half our time might be that kind of work. So, where to go next for information? The main source is the Year 9 options booklet that I'm sure you'll have a copy of or you can find on the website. Um, for our course, the OCR is the exam board. So if you go to ocr.org and look for J277, you can find out the details about the course. And of course, if you have any questions, talk to me or email me. That's my email address on the screen.